My name is Krishna and I am from Yokogawa India Limited, so representing the Test and Measurement Business Group. So thank you very much for giving an opportunity to participate in Elasia 2024 exhibition, and also thanks for visiting the Yokogawa stall. So Yokogawa is more than 100 years old company and very much diversified in terms of customers' solutions and problem solving. So as part of test and measurement organization, Yokogawa also is contributing to the society in the decarbonization section and well-being section, and also we are also trying to connect people through communication business. So to start with this Elasia 2024 being an electrical company participation, through our various products, we have a lot of solutions available for our customers to choose from, especially in the power industry. From simple to complex problem solving, we have a variety of products available. Power quality analyzers, power analyzers, they are the best in class in the world. We have the very high accurate, very precision instruments available for our customers to choose from, and they can provide literally solution in the power industry for manufacturing, distribution, R&D. In every segment customer wants, they can solve their problems through our high precision power analyzers, which are famous globally. In addition to that, we also have other products like digital storage oscilloscopes and also scope carders. Scope carder is a unique product which is a combination of oscilloscope as well as data logger, so which is a very unique product. So the customer can do a lot of analysis and study to solve their day-to-day problems in engineering. Apart from that, we also have products in the basic instrumentation, very high precision, accurate DC calibrators, AC calibrators to solve all their calibration needs, and they have the highest level of accuracy to achieve measurement confidence. We also have handheld products called PDI products, which are widely ranged from a handheld DMM to a clamp meter to earth resistance meter, and all those products are very useful in every industrial segment. These products can be used. Now, on the communication front, as I mentioned, we also have an optical spectrum analyzer, very high-end optical spectrum analyzer, which are very accurate, and we are the world leaders in optical spectrum analyzers and power analyzers. So the customers can consider our optical spectrum analyzers to solve their problems or to do research and development in communication field, which is vast and fast growing in India, to find a solution from a internet service providers to R&D to every segment. We have a product in communication, including our optical test domain reflectometers with various different model numbers, can cater to the wide range of applications as well as problem solving in the field of communication. Elasia is a very good event. To be very honest, from Yokogawa Test and Measurement, we are glad and proud to be part of this event. So I am seeing a big potential because all the participants here, they are engaged in the power and electrical segment in one way or the other. And Yokogawa being a pioneers in power measurement, we have a full solutions available to cater to many of these customer requirements. So in that way, I strongly feel that it's a great opportunity for both the people who are visiting the booth, customers who are trying to find their solutions for their day-to-day problems. It's a good opportunity for solution and problems to come together and resolve. So I'm personally excited that we are part of this event, and thank you very much. It's going to be useful for both the participants as well as for the customer who are visiting in a big way to solve their electrical problems. Yeah, Indian power and electrical segment, as you know, steadily growing year over year. And
Okay.
for a big population of India, we still had to catch up with lot of infrastructure projects. And from the big support from Elasia 2024 and all the companies participating here, I think everyone has a great future with respect to the business. At least in my opinion, up to 2050, India will continue to have a good GDP growth because all the companies will outperform, and there's a big expectation on India, especially from rest of the world with respect to Make in India and also expanding solutions to solve infrastructure problems. It's a great potential and great future for all the companies. Yeah, we have planned many new products which we will be rolling out, some in 2024, some in 2025. To be very honest, India is focused as a big potential market. So, Yokogawa Test and Measurement also has a roadmap to cater to continuously the new product solutions to our customers. So, right now we have a mid-term plan as well as the long-term plan. Both are very aggressive plans for India. You can expect more products and solution rolled out as we move forward. So this is WT333 power meter. So this is a high precision digital power meter used for measurements of electrical parameters. So you can see right now we have connected the transformer and trying to measure the power quality of each voltage, current, and power factors. All those things can be measured using this equipment. Now, coming to this one, which is a WT5000 high precision power analyzer, very powerful number one product globally for all the power measurements and its analysis. This product is very extensively used in R&D to create develop products and to test those products. So provides a very good platform. This is also integrated with a software called IS8000, which provides very in detail analysis of each power measurements and their analysis, so that the people are able to develop good products in the electrical field. Now this is called LS3300 AC power calibrator, very high accurate power calibrator. This provides an accurate output, so that the measurement can be done. So this is predominantly used in calibration labs as one of the most traceable standard available in the country, very reliable standard for the calibration solutions. Similarly, we also have a scope carder. As I mentioned earlier, DL350 is one of the model, which is a combination, very unique product globally, which is a combination of oscilloscope as well as the data logger. It does both the functions together as one equipment. This is a very rare product again. So this is again our one of the product which customer can choose from to have a data analysis, measurement as well as the data logging capability. Both comes as a plus point for the customer for their applications. So DL950 is a latest model of scope carder, advanced version of DL350. This is, as I mentioned earlier, is a combination product, but very good product for R&D and manufacturing, and also for testing. People are very extensively using, finds very wide application from aerospace, defense, semiconductor industries, then all the private, multinational and government organizations. They prefer this product because of their uniqueness. Okay. So now this is the DLM 5058 500 megahertz oscilloscope. It has a 12-bit ADC also, and it's one of the best oscilloscope available in the market. So this is also finds very much wide applications among all industries. People are using this product, very accurate product. So in this series we also have DLM 3000 and 5000, 200 megahertz and 500 megahertz oscilloscope. Customer can choose based on their applications. Okay, of course, I have not showcased our communication products here. We definitely have our world famous optical spectrum analyzer and also optical time domain reflectometers of varied models and specifications for customers to choose from. I'm very much sure in the test and measurement industry, whatever complex problems, especially in power sector or in general purpose instrumentation side, Yokogawa has the full solution for customer to choose from. For more information on our products and services, people can go through our full product guide which is available test and measurement website of Yokogawa. Thank you very much.